Welcome. If you want to connect Huawei FreeBuds Pro to your Apple Watch, and the first on our Apple Watch we have to move for the settings. So let's go here. Then we have to go for the Bluetooth settings. And of course we have to turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher right here. Next we have to open charging case of our FreeBuds. So let's open. And if they are not going to pop on the list, we have to use this button on the back of the charging case. I mean of the edge, of the right edge of the charging case. Okay, I was about to click on this button, but here they are, so we have to simply click to pair. And as you can see right now, the status connection has changed to the connected. So that's how we can pair Huawei FreeBuds Pro to the Apple Watch. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!